what we're going to be attempting to do is make a change to the wiki. So I'm going to go over here and go into the application menu for Professional Wiki, and waiting for it to come up, and here it is. If I want to do anything with this wiki, for example with this top level page, the thing I'll do is come over here to the edit, click on edit, and now this full screen is editable. And you'll notice in particular that there are a series of tools. That's what these little buttons are called. They're referred to as tools. And if you press a tool, amazing things will happen. For example, if I come down here and take the word professional and highlight it, and then come up and click this tool, what I'm actually going to be doing is instructing the application to allow me to insert a link. See that little tool button looks like a little link of a chain. And what I could do is say, what I want to do is come down and I want to link that word professional to licensed professions in South Carolina. Now, in reality, you should be aware that there's a long list, and I'll show you what we have to do. We have to make this window larger. And once we do, you'll notice over here on the right hand side we now have a scroll bar, or a scroll tool, that allows me to scroll down through all the names of all the pages that are available to us. So by using that scroll, let's take Washington DC. Keep in mind, what we're now trying to do is use that link tool. I just selected that, and I'm going to say insert. And now what I have back in the original text is the word professional. It's been changed in color and it's underlined, and that's the universal signal that is a hyperlink to another page in our website. So let's try it out right now. I'll tell you what, I have to go down here. I'm going to go down to the bottom, and I should say down at the bottom of the page, I should say save and exit if I wanted to keep the change. And instead what I'll eventually do is just cancel that change, because I don't really need to have that link. But let's try that link out. Even if we haven't saved the page, the link should still work. So if I click on it now, oops, oh, there you go. I guess you have to save the page for the link to work. Save and exit. Okay, so now I go in and I click on that professional, and it takes me to licensed professions in Washington, D.C. Now, you'll notice throughout the pages that are added to the wiki, you'll see the word return, and it's underlined like a hyperlink. Let me show you how we create that. I'm going to take this page and I'm going to edit it. I'm going to come over, and I'll just put my cursor there, and I'm going to type go back. I'm now going to take my cursor, put it at the end of that word, go back, click with the left mouse and drag my mouse across the word. I'm selecting the entire word. With that word selected, I'm now going to go over to the tools, I'm going to click the hyperlink tool. And when I do, you get a pop-up. It says insert the link. And basically it's saying, okay, where do you want to take the viewer when they click that go back? And I want to take them back to the very first page, which is called Overview. So I'll come down here and click on the word Overview. And notice that the choice is now linked to an existing page. The page is Overview. And I'll say Insert. And it's going to insert that hyperlink. And I now have a hyperlink, and the word is go back. So let me exit out of this page. I'm going to save and exit. By saving and exiting, I'm still in that licensed professions in Washington DC page. But I can either right now click return or click go back, and we're going to click go back, and it's going to take me back to the first page, the overview page. And here we are. So this has been a quick little lesson in how to connect to, how to edit a page, and how to insert or return hyperlink.